As a startup business, it is very hard for you to gain access to data and information, as there's nothing but only a desk in your office. After a period of time, you can access to a computer. It solves problems such as access and storage of information. However, you can't share the information among others. Gradually, as your business develops from one person to a group of employees, enterprise uses intranet to share information among the company. But it is still very limited because information can only be shared within an office. Due to the exponential growth of your business, apart from the headquarters in Hong Kong, you've also set up other branch offices around the globe. This is when the internet comes in handy. It allows us to communicate and share documents with one another through email with no geographic restrictions. However, we can't share information instantly and synchronize information. And now we have come to the cloud computing era. Through the cloud, you can now gain access to and even manage business data. Also, you can share the production information such as production plans, orders, stock levels, etc. with your partners through your digital devices anytime and anywhere. Through accessing to the cloud, you can deal with changes and make decisions instantly in a fast-paced and dynamic business environment. Let's take a look at the development history of iGarment. iGarment was founded in 1987. At the time, we were like other companies. We customized software for companies in different industries. Just like other companies, we recognize that it takes a long time to customize software for our clients with high costs and no profit. Therefore, we started to focus on specializing in a specific industry, the garment industry. We have developed a set of software tailored for garment businesses, and just like other businesses which have successfully transformed, we launched our software to the market and target only at garment companies. However, we found that there are many issues with selling software as a product. We started to recognize that our software should be sold as a service instead. Therefore, since 2001, iGarment became the first company in the garment industry to promote the idea of SaaS, software as a service, and this led to a huge success. The informatization of enterprise has gone through multiple eras, from the era of computing to the internet. Whereas in the IT industry, iGarment has experienced a range of developments from customization to product buyout. Finally, we have reached the cloud computing era, and we can experience how this huge change is greatly influencing the world. Businesses usually spend millions of dollars to invest in software purchases, and the costs include server, storage devices, networks, operating systems, databases, software experts to operate the system, and so on. In case of a problem, it is usually very difficult for IT experts to work out the causes and provide solutions to the problem. Moreover, when there's an upgrade available, the system may even collapse due to various reasons. Therefore, it's hard for large companies to find a suitable software for their businesses, and smaller businesses might not even afford the software. Nowadays, cloud service is the best choice. You don't have to build your own server for your management system. You only have to operate the shared server. Internet is the only thing you need, and you can start using your system and accessing information. Most importantly, the costs involved are relatively low. It only takes a few days to build and run. To run the software, you don't have to pay for other expenses. Therefore, the actual costs are lower than the expected costs. Just like buying a vehicle for $100,000, you have to pay for the insurance, maintenance, parking, fuel, and so on to make it work. Therefore, the costs are always higher than the net cost of the vehicle. Unlike other software, the cloud service reduces extra costs, including server, storage settings, databases, network, system upgrades, technical teams, and so on. The cloud service is safer than most software on the market. Just like the bank, they would spend millions of dollars on the security system just to protect $100,000 from their customer. And it is almost impossible for a customer to afford this amount of money on such system to look after their own savings. Therefore, all enterprises that use our cloud service can enjoy the expensive and trustworthy protection of our expertise. You only have to pay a fixed monthly fee to enjoy the ultimate cloud service without having to build anything. The cloud service is user-friendly and helps to increase your business efficiency tremendously.